Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ram 2500 grill. First, pop open your truck's hood. You'll see a plastic valance panel covering the area between the grill and the radiator. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to gently pry out all the plastic push pins holding this panel in place. Be careful not to break them, as they can be fragile. Once all pins are out, set the panel aside. With the valance panel removed, you'll now see four 10mm bolts along the top of the grill. These bolts secure the top of the grill to the support beam. Grab your 10mm socket wrench and carefully remove each of these four bolts. It's a good idea to keep all your removed hardware in a small container so you don't lose any pieces during the process. This next step is crucial to avoid breaking any tabs. Many people make the mistake of pulling the grill straight out from the top. Instead, reach your hand behind the grill, near a lower corner. Gently push outwards on that corner until you feel it release from its speed clip. Once one side is free, you can then carefully swing the entire grill open like a door, allowing the remaining bottom clips to unclip without damage. To reinstall your grill, reverse the process. Start by aligning the bottom speed clips into their corresponding slots, ensuring they are properly seated. Then, swing the grill upwards and secure the four 10mm bolts at the top. Reinstall the plastic valance panel and all its push pins. Make sure everything is snug and secure. For more great deals and the link to those awesome socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.